Class. I just remember that very first video I made. Chewing gum. They all turn out chomp, 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 chomp. Hey, a couple more helps here for 8.8. I know the video I made was boring, the last one. So here's what you are doing on Wednesday. You have to square both sides. Please remember that x squared problems, quadratics, you have to have equals 0. It's really the best way to do it. Now, you have to remember your factoring ideas. It has to multiply to be -4, add to be -3. I am going to go through that quickly. If you need a pause and remember how to factor that, do that. Then what we got to do is do the big T. Other teachers call it the zero product property. We have to double check our answers. We have to. Okay, x is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4. 4 equals 4. Double checks. -1. Look right here. When I plug in a -1, does a square root ever equal -1? No, it doesn't. Dude, no. That's called an extraneous answer. Square root is not equal to -1. Also on Wednesday, and by the way, this is the last sort of topic for the most part. Test next week, Tuesday. Square both sides. You have no choice. That's a 5. You have no choice but to FOIL. These are both 5s. Do it better. You must go first, outside, inside, last. You must FOIL that. Remember, you hit pause anytime I'm going too fast. Just think if you could do that in real class. Make it say equals 0, so I'm adding 2x to both sides, and I just 13 from, and it's factor it. I'm not going to go back to factoring. If you need to, multiplies to be 12, adds to be -8. That would be -6 and -2. And pause this video anytime you need to. X equals 6, x equals 2. We need to double check both of them in the original. -2 times 6, I'm looking at the top, is -12 plus 13 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. The 6 checks out. Way back in the original. -2 times 2 is -4. -4 plus 13 is 9. Square root of 13 is square root of 9 is 3. 2 minus 5 is -3. What? Square root equals negative? No, it doesn't. That is called extraneous. 0.8, thanks.